Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Suyeong. Today I'd like to show you how to make vegetable dumpling.
Alright.
Let's remove water. And boiling sprouts, actually it was frozen. Boiling glass noodles as well. Chop all the ingredients. Put 1 tablespoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of black peppers, 3 chopped garlics, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Now we are ready to fold the dumplings. We need water to fold the wrap. Let's show the wrap. We're gonna make 3 different ways to fold the dumplings. Now we're gonna steam the dumplings. Put some water in the pot. Put a flipped bowl or cup to avoid the dumplings are soaked in the water. Put any drained bowl and put cotton cloth to avoid the stick on the bottom. Now the dumpling is done. Thanks for watching my YouTube today.